round of applause. And now let's all sit down.
Thank you for Selectai Club, Boy Scouts, and Drum and Lyre Band. Teacher, of course, this long celebration will not be possible without the effort of each one of us, the parents, the teachers, and the students, and most especially with our dear administrators.
Panginoon issue. Ate Jean. Of course, without the support of our administrators, this would not be possible. To welcome us all into this celebration, let's all give a round of applause to our school head, Mrs. Sylvia P. Aquino.
Good morning, everyone, especially the parents, guests, our faculty and staff, our students, and Miss Fred, good morning. Ang tema po ng ating programa ngayon, o ang tema ng aming buwang activities ay ang kayamanan, ang kalusugan ng mamamayan, ang kayamanan ng ating bayan. Okay. So, ako ay paalala lang po sa mga magulang dahil kayo naghahanda ng pagkain ng ating mga anak. Kung pwede po sana, maghanda kayo ng pagkain, balanced diet. Yun ang sinasabi natin, go